Hi, I'm Ingamells, one of the coaches from Mill Hill BJJ in North London. I will be carrying on from the first video, so if you haven't seen the first video, I suggest you watch it. We're looking at a position commonly known as the bear trap. I call it Kimashi, doesn't matter about the name. We're looking at it as a recovery system normally for the Inside Sankaku. The first thing I want to show you though and look at it is a more kind of applicable IBJJF use of the position, okay? Obviously most of you know with the Inside Sankaku or saddle, the application for the IBJJF is quite poor, okay? So, we're going to look at it from a reverse de la Riva entry to start with, okay? So, playing a basic reverse de la Riva, we're looking at an inversion onto the far side, okay? So, whether we're looking for the Inside Sankaku or whether we're going straight for the Kimashi, we'll be entering from here. So we invert through, coming through. I've missed the knee line here. So again, shin is going in the back of the knee. I'm scooping his heel up or his foot up. So I'm creating this pressure and I'm dropping into the floor. As I come through, I'm underhooking the leg here, okay? So I continue to turn my hips in this direction, which collapses his knee to the floor, and we end in this position. This way. So, direct use for the IBJJF, we just use it as a sweep, okay? At the moment, this is one of my main sweeps because people kind of fear the Inside Sankaku so much and that they're used to me trying to attack the leg locks. Once I invert onto this with this reverse de la Riva, they're well aware that I'm trying to project the hips and I'm trying to get above the knee line. Okay, so they push down. So now I simply turn into this position. Okay, starting from the bottom, I end here. Again, knee is controlled, foot is controlled on the hip to make sure the leg is trapped and wedged. Imagine this as closely as you can to a technical stand-up from X-Guard. Okay, this is the closest kind of thing you'll get to it, okay? So once I've hooked the leg, I'm controlling the knee, controlling the kneecap here. I don't want him to be able to pull the knee free, so I need to make sure the knee is controlled. The far leg is fully shouldered. Okay, again, if we stop in this position, he's not going anywhere. So there's no rush to escape or kind of move from this position, okay? All I'm gonna do is a technical stand-up from here, okay? So we started on the bottom, we took the bottom of the leg, we've controlled it, we've brought him down to his hip. Now I come to the top, I'll receive points for the sweep, okay? So all I'm doing, hand, opposite foot, and I'm going to allow myself to do a technical stand-up from here, okay? Obviously the foot is trapped, the leg is trapped here. If I just try and do a technical stand-up from here, his leg is going to be trapped, we're going to be in an awkward position, okay? So first thing I will do, I will hip escape backwards. I simply hip escape backwards to clear the leg here, okay? He tries to turn back in. It's difficult, tries to turn away, it's going to be difficult as well. Okay, whichever way he turns, I still have solid control of this top leg. All I need to do from here, foot, hand, technical stand-up, okay? It gives you a lot of options from here, okay? It gives you the option to straight away stand and look to pass. It gives you the option to come up and start to come into pressure passing. It also, for the leg lockers, it gives you the option to come away, come over, and we can switch to the far side entries to the Inside Sankaku as well, okay? Do one more time. The interesting thing I find with this though, and what I've used it for, is almost the threat of the leg lock game, and then using it to sweep. So people fear the Inside Sankaku entry, they fear the leg locks, so that's their main attention, so it's very, very easy just to drop them to the knee, technical stand up and just take your 2 points, okay? So, again, reverse de la Riva, we're inverting. He pushes the knee down, we scissor on the lower leg. So back of the knee, his foot needs to be on my hip here. We simply turn to collapse the knee, we underhook, come to here, okay? So, we end in the controlled position. Top leg is controlled, bottom leg is controlled, hand, foot. We hip escape away to clear this leg, and all we have to do, we either windshield wipe the leg or we fully technical stand up, and we're coming to a top position.